Alright guys, so in this video I'll show you how to book Airbnb for beginners. Okay, so right now I'm on Airbnb.com, the homepage, and you want to first choose the location. For example, let's do Denver, and then you need to check in. So you have to choose your check-in date, and then you also need to check out, right? So I'll do from the 20th of February to, let's say, 24th February, and you can add the number of guests you want. For example, let's do 2 adults and 1 children. Okay, 1 child. Let's go ahead and click on search. And here you'll see over 1,000 places in Denver. And if you want something specific, maybe, for example, only specific rooms, or you want it to be on the countryside, you can go ahead and choose such options as well. I'm okay with everything right here. And then you can also filter, right? So if I come here to filter, if you are new, you want to go ahead and choose instant book. That will really help you out. And here you can select the price range so that you can meet your budget. So you can use this slider. Maybe you're looking to pay a maximum of $70, right? You can also type it in as well, right? And you can scroll up here and choose whether you want the entire home or just a specific room. Now there's 4 homes here that meet this criteria. If I choose any type, you can see I have 5 places in this price range. So here you can see how many houses or apartments have this price range. We have about 58. And you can come over here and choose the amount of rooms and beds you want. So let's say I want at least 2 bedrooms. Amenities, I want Wi-Fi. I need free parking. So the more amenities you choose, the more you narrow it down. It will help you later on in search so you don't have to keep checking for each one, right? We need a kitchen, a love air conditioner. Okay, now booking options. You can choose instant book, self check-in, free cancellation, allow pets. If you have pets, you can toggle that one on as well. We only have 2. And now you can go ahead and look at that, right? You can also select your host language if you want them to know specific languages. It will be more convenient for you. You can do accessibility features as well. And you can also select the property type. Now I'm okay with this. I can go ahead and click on show these 2 places. Let's see. We have a guest suite in Arvada and a room in Lone Tree. This one looks nice to me. So if you want to go ahead and book this, all you need to do is click on it. And of course, before you actually go ahead and book, you want to go through it, like look at the pictures, look at the amenities, check out the rules, right? Scroll down here. You can also look at the host as well if you want. And if you're happy with this, you can also check out the reviews, the exact location, and then go ahead and just click on reserve. So we have 3 guests, 1 pet. And then if you're bringing a service animal, you can go ahead and read that. If you want, you can add travel insurance. And at the end, you can pay with either a bank account, credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Play. Okay, so we have Google Pay as well. And once you're happy, you can just go ahead and confirm and pay for that. Really that easy and simple.